Hello everyone, this is Artemistic and I am so excited about today's video. I have a really exciting package to open and it is one of the subscription boxes from upcrate. I love what I've seen of upcrate so far. They have really exciting subscription boxes. And the only reason I got this is because my friend Katie Ryle's art, and I'll put a link to her channel in the description, she won the challenge and won a free subscription box. And she said that since she already had the subscription, that she would be willing and wanting to send it to me, the free one that she won. And I was so excited, and thank you so much, Katie. This is just awesome. And I just got it in the mail yesterday, and I finally got a chance to open it. It's been tempting me and teasing me with what's inside. So it's finally time to see. So one thing that is a bummer is one side of the box was open when I got it. And so I'm really hoping all of the contents are still in there. We'll find out. So I'm just going to open this side of it. Alright, let's see what's in here. Okay. Let me see how much of this is showing. In the top of the box, it's got this. Upgrade. It's time for art. I didn't say that very well. Anyway, I guess it's kind of piratey. Okay, so it says, "I, your art treasures." I'm gonna wait and open that. I think I should wait and open that until I see what's in here. This might be saying what's in the package. I'm not sure. Is this in the right spot? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Let's see what's inside. I'm going to try to not take it all out at once, and we'll just see. Well, there's a big box. A big box. What? Craftmaster alcohol-based ink markers. Alright, so I have seen these, and I am really excited to try them. I've been wanting alcohol-based ink markers, and now I have some. And what's this? Another Craftmaster alcohol-based ink marker. Fruit Pink, it's called. Oh, and a Micron 05. I have one of those, but they run out, and I will be thrilled to have another one. Let's see here. Stabilo pencil, 3H. That looks like a nice pencil. Oh, another Craftmaster marker. This one is powder pink. So 2 pinks. And another one, black. Let's see. There's still more. This is amazing. I'm just like quiet because I'm just like amazed at how much is in this box. Here's another Craftmaster Coral Pink. There's definitely a pink theme going on here, and I don't have anything like this, so this is really exciting. Oh, and then a gray, warm gray 8. this one's called. Wow, that is so exciting, you guys. Oh, and an eraser. You can't forget the eraser. LNC Hearthmuth? I don't know how to say that. But I really like the elephant on it. That's actually really cute. So I may not even want to use that. I may just want to keep it because it's cute. Oh, and there's still more. I've been wanting a white gel pen and I just haven't bought myself one. And here there is a white gel pen too. Wow. This box is awesome, guys. This is so awesome. Let me see. Here's the art. So this is the same box, I think, that Katie had gotten for her challenge, maybe? Because I know she did a witch. And so I don't remember if she got all those same colors. I need to go back and watch Katie's video of her upgrade and watch it again. And I hope you guys will watch it too. So I'll definitely try to put a card in somewhere in the video to that. So let's see here. That's awesome. Oh, and then there's some paper. It's really thin paper, but maybe that's good for markers. I don't know. I've never used them. But I'm so excited, you guys. I've been saying and saying that I want to use them, you know? And I just haven't been able to buy any for myself. Let me open this and we'll see what's inside of here. Well, that's not opening very cleanly. I need a letter opener. Here. Okay, let's see what's inside of here. I see a sticker, I think. The upcrate sticker. Oh, spooky times ahead. This has to be like the October box. Oh, so cute. That's really cute. Oh, and a note sheet. Okay, so yeah, this must have been the October box, and the battle topic was spooky times. It says all you need to do is use the materials inside this month's upcrate, unleash your creativity, and create some magnificent artwork. Post it on Instagram using hashtag upcratebattle and place the front side of this card next to your artwork. Post your artwork until the 10th of the following month. Okay, so it's too late for me to do it. Let's see, the best artwork will be selected by our featured artist and me, and we will announce it on our Instagram channel. Full speed ahead. Alright, well that's really cool. You know, I won't be able to take part in that challenge, but that's okay. That's alright. I'm still going to post this video about it all, because I'm just so excited to be able to finally have, oh, I like that too, unbox your creativity. Finally have a subscription box to try. I've been watching everyone do it, and it's just like so tempting always to want to try and do a sub box, but I just can't afford to do it. So this was such an awesome gift. I can't believe all of the markers that came in this box. I do remember watching Katie open hers now. Whoops. But here, let me do that. And we'll just put these over here so you can see everything that came in the box. See if that's all there. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just come up with my own sort of artwork to do, and not using the theme Spooky Times because that challenge is already over and done with. So yeah, I think this is going to be a lot of fun though. I can't wait to try all these colors. And here, let's look and see what colors came in the set. Oh my goodness. Not what I was expecting. Like, I thought I would see like blues and greens and things like that, but I see now it's set C, yellow, red. And it's like all yellows, oranges, reddish tones, a purple snuck in there. Let's see, blue, violet. Alright, well, I want to swatch all of these out and see what they're like. So maybe I should just do that now. And we'll just do it in regular time. And then I'll make a separate video of actually doing an art piece. So for now, let's just see what these markers and things are all like. We'll use some of the paper. Let's pull out one sheet. I'm so excited. All right, well, let's do the pencil first. Stabilo. Pencil. 3H. Okay. Micron 05. Alright. I love a micron. You know what, I'm just going to color a black section to try and put that white gel pen over and see what it looks like on top of just straight. Here, let's do the eraser. Let's see, I can't really tell if I'm reading the letters. Oh, here it is on the back. Hartmouth. Koh-i-Noor natural rubber eraser made in the Czech Republic. Interesting. Hartmouth eraser. Let's see, let's just see how it does here. Yeah, that does fine. That's a fine job on that. Okay, So I'm going to, oh yeah, this is probably dry enough to try the gel pen on top of. Yeah, that works once it got going. Sort of. I don't know how well a white gel pen goes over straight black anyway. I've never used a white gel pen, just putting that out there. I've been wanting to. I guess I take that back. I've used one a little bit, but not very much at all. So I want to write down the numbers. See, each of these markers has a number on the tip. So I'm going to write down the number so I can look back at this and see what color goes with what. All right. Here we go. This is my first test of an alcohol ink marker. Ooh, it just went on so nice. All right. That's pretty. Very pale. Powder pink. That is nice black. It's so smooth. Sorry, I know I'm being really quiet. I'm just concentrating on this. Oh wow, that's much darker than I thought it would be. It's pretty though. I like that. Warm gray 8. Okay, now I've got all of these guys to try. I'll try to stand that up there. Okay, there's one, just number 1, 85, 10, 14, 35, 31, 34, 73, 22, 32, 24, and 11. All right, let's check these colors out, guys. Whoops, wrong side. Chisel tip first. I love that these are dual brush. They're like a chisel tip and a fine point. I guess not brush. They're not a brush, but let's see. And then next is 85. That's beautiful. That's like a cranberry color. Ooh, that's juicy. That one, vivid purple. What's this one called? Deep Red. That is a nice red. Sometimes it's hard to get a good red in colors. This one is vermilion. That does look like a nice vermilion. Wait, 10, 14. $35 is next. Lemon yellow. Let's see here. What's this one? Dark yellow. Ooh, that is very dark. Let's see, 34 is just yellow. Whoops, wrong side again. Just yellow. It's interesting to me how the color sort of develops in a way after you get it on the page. Like when you first put it on, it's darker, and then it seems like it all smooths out as it sits and kind of becomes more even. I don't know, because I'm a little shaky, so when I put it down, it skips a little bit. But boy, I love that purple. Love that purple. Okay, this one is French vermilion. Okay, let's see, what are these? Deep yellow. That's pretty. Marigold. What a nice name for color. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I really like these a lot. I like the way they feel on the paper. Last one. What is this? Kareem? I'm not sure. Oh, it's beautiful though. Alright. Well, there we go. There's everything that was in the box. I cannot believe how much they put in here. I mean, it's just kind of a little bit mind-blowing how much you actually get. Oh, look at the back of that. That's cool. Very cool. Well, there it is, you guys. My first attempt at a subscription box. All thanks to my friend Katie Riles Art. Thanks again. That's so awesome. I love it, and I can't wait to come up with an idea of something to do with all of them and create a new piece of art using alcohol ink markers, which I haven't done yet. So Alright, thanks for watching, you guys. Definitely check out upcrate as a subscription box. I think that it's definitely value for the money, and you get so much. I think it's just awesome. And when I can, I'll definitely subscribe too. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!